What's up, YouTube? All right, man. I just found a new watch face. I don't know what took me so long to download this one from my boy Daro, the jeweler. This one came straight out of the Samsung Galaxy App Store, man. You got to look this one up. It is called Jeweler Pressure. All right, you're looking at the always on display right now. And I know I already did the review for the Strap Studio bands. But once I saw this watch face in true color and I started playing around with it, I was like, damn, this is a great watch face for each one of those bands. So right now I actually have on my black stainless steel band, which I actually wore it yesterday. It just seemed like the right thing to do. But I wish I would have had this face on it when I actually wore it. Look at that. Do you see the second hands? Like it's not even second hand. It's like a dial. It's just turning, man. Look at it. It's turning, man. Look at it. I was having a hard time telling time on this thing at first, but you got your 1 through 12 here, so that's your hour hand, right? I hope you can see it right there. And then you got your minute hand, which is actually a number. So it's actually 10:29 right now. So if you can see, the 10 is between the 11 and the hand is between the 10 and 11. You got your 29 right there, and then you got your seconds. That is tight. Oh my goodness, I love it, man. I'm loving this watch face. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into some features of this watch face because it does have interactions before I start actually changing the color of the face. It's so customizable. So check this out. All right, so over here, you got your step counter if you tap. I've only walked 26 steps. I haven't been up that long, don't judge me. All right, so when we go back, we can go in here. You see that little date right there, Friday the 16th? Boom, you get into your calendar just like that. All right, so it's quick access to your calendar. And over there, you got that fuel gauge, man. It looks like a gas tank. This almost looks like a classic vehicle instrument panel clustered into one. I mean, it really is nice looking, but that looks like a gas tank needle right there. And that, of course, is going to be your battery meter. So that's pretty awesome. Wait, I think there's one more. Let's go here. Tap on that 30, and you can add an alarm straight from the watch face. Go straight into that app. And I do believe that's it. But now we can go into, if you tap in the middle of the hand, you can actually start changing the faces. But that's where I want to go into changing the watch faces and matching it up with some bands. So hang on, I'll be right back. All right, now check this out. You tap in the middle where that little hand is right there. And then you can change the face of the watch, the color, and a little bit of the scheme actually changes. Let me move my cleaning cloth out of the way. But for this particular band, if you're going to go get all 4 of these bands I got, for this particular band, I have to say, you can pick any one. It's going to look good. I mean, they all look great. I'll just pause it right there. I think this green actually looks really good on this watch. I mean, you got this dial just moving all up in the watch. Oh man, the animation is so awesome. It's so clean and crisp. All right, now let's change it up a little bit. We got this Seda brown on here. All right, so let's find one that matches with this. All right, that looks good. It's a nice bright face. The lines are still crisp and clean. You got that second dial moving. Oh, I really like that one too. Now let's see if we can't find something fresh to go with this Napa orange. All right, now that one does look clean on there. I really like the way that looks. But let's see if we can do a little bit better. I actually think that one, it brings out the orange in the band, matching it up with this face. Let's see what we got. We got that black again. I think we found it already, man. I think we passed it up. Let's go. Let's keep going. That one was good, but this one right here, that's the one right there. Look at that. Last but not least, we got the Tuscany tan. All right, now this face actually really does look good in that one too, man. I like that. It's kind of a vintage look, and it really goes with the watch and with the band and the stitching. But let's see if we can do a little bit better. I like that black because it adds more contrast to the watch. This right here, this is almost like a deep burgundy, and I think this might be the one, man. It's like a deep burgundy, and it's really looking good in person. I don't know how y'all feel looking at it from behind the camera, but this one looks good. Let me see if I got some more. Hey, now that's clean. I like that. It's almost like a racing stripe up in there. I'm telling you, this looks like a vintage car. I'm getting a call. Of course. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Now, what was I saying? Oh yeah, this looks like a vintage car instrument panel. Yeah, that's pretty slick, man. I really like this look right here. I wonder if, let me see. I wonder if that brown would go. Yeah, that brown would go with that. Let's see what else we got. That green looks really, really nice. Okay, now I'm torn. It's either the burgundy or the green. with the Tuscany tan. Let me see. Damn. Okay. That one looks good too. I think this might be it. This just might be it. This is like it's like a bluish green. Let me see. Okay. I think, let's go back. Let's see. All right, we got that burgundy. Then we have this one with we're gonna call this one the instrument panel. And that green looks real good too. And okay, I got 4 to choose from with this particular band. This one looks real good. I think I like this though. Anyways, I'm going out with the wife tonight to a fancy dinner. Well, it ain't really fancy. It's pretty casual, but I'm just a fancy dude. I got to figure out which watch face and watch strap combo to use because, I got to do it right tonight. So in the comments, let me know which combo y'all like better, or which band. I don't know. I don't know how y'all gonna help me out with this outfit, but this watch has got to look good. And right now, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Anyways, I never claim to be an expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I go, make sure y'all tap on that like button and smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.